In my previous video, I spoke about how you can include mock data in your cold email to send to a client to just show the client the sample of what you can do as a data analyst. And a lot of you requested for the mock video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a mock data and use for various clients, send out various cold email to numerous clients by using just one data set. Now, let's get right into the video. So if you've watched my previous video, you would know I said something that's about searching on YouTube. What you need to type is YCW24 for the company you want to work with or you want to reach out to. So you go to companies, and let's say for example I want to reach out to Garage. So Garage is a company that buys and sells used equipment within the US, New York to be precise. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to write this prompt in ChatGPT. I'm going to put generate a mock data of 100 rows. Now it could be more depending on what you're doing or how you want it. It could be more than 100 rows. It could be more than 8 columns, and 8 columns for a sales company, for a company that buys and sells used equipment in the US. This could be more. You don't have to use the same company I used, but you could actually just use other companies. This is just like a sample data of what you want to work with. It doesn't really have to be this exact one. Then use this prompt to generate your data set. Then you send. Do you want me to save the mock data as a CSV? Yes, I want that. It as CSV, so let's download it as Excel file. The file, and then you open it. Since it is an Excel file, you have your data here. Now the next thing you are going to do, for me personally, I like to use Power BI to analyze my data, but you can choose to use any tool at all to analyze your data as a data analyst. So you come to Power BI, then you go ahead and import the Excel data sets. So you go ahead and import the data sets. Now if you want to clean your data set, you can go ahead and clean it. Then you analyze the data. But in this video, I am not going to be analyzing the data sets. I won't be doing that. So here you have your data sets with everything. You can go ahead and analyze your data here just like the way you normally analyze your Excel file or your data set. You build your dashboard and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you a sample of my own project, the one I did. I'm going to be showing you this. So this is a sample of all the data, all the dashboard that I've built for various companies. This is a sample of their data. So if you look at Shop R, if I click on Shop R, I have this with the business color, alpaca bags, manga groups, Samos e-commerce, cash body, and VCNY. These companies are companies that I've reached out to in the past using this mock data. Now if you check on the side, this area is where the entire data set is. I never changed the data set. What I did is that I only just duplicate. Let's say I want to create one for Garage. Now what I need to do is just to duplicate the data, then I edit the name, I put Garage, I go ahead to edit the name, I use Garage, that's the name of the company. Then I go ahead to edit this dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the title. I'm going to do garage sales performance dashboard. That's one thing I'm going to change. Then I'll come here and leave everything just the way it is, because I am working with this data set, this particular data set. Then I'll just go ahead and change the company color. I'll change it to the color now. I'll change it to orange, because the company's color is orange. What I'll do is I'll just go here and change the color to orange, because that is the company's color. I'll do the same for the logo. I'll change the logo, but here I'm just going to remove it so I can replace the logo. Then I'll just change everything in regards to this particular color to be orange. So after changing everything to the color of the business, I can then insert the logo here. And the good thing about this entire thing is when you change anything on the data set, it is going to change. Your slicers are working because you are still working with the same data sets. Nothing has changed. So all you need to do is to generate insights from this particular data set, screenshot it, and send out the email to the client. Like I said, you compose your email using your personalized first line and you send it out to the client. If you follow exactly what I just taught in this video and you attach it to a mail sample just like this particular one, trust me, one way or the other you're going to get a response. If this is something that is your vibe, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe. This motivates me to keep posting valuable content for you to grow and to enjoy. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video.